welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for stopping by today. Today I am unboxing the Beem box. So if you are not familiar with the Beem box is a subscription box that is made by women of color, and it's made for women of color of deeper skin tones like myself. So this box costs $39.95. You receive this box every 2 months. So it's supposed to have about 5 products inside, 5 to 6 products inside, if I remember correctly. If you are interested in checking this out, you can go to Beem box, and that's BEEMBOX.com to check out a subscription to this. But I just thought this was so neat. I love the packaging, like you get the lady with the lips, and that's how your box shows up. So this is the first time I'm receiving this box. I've never ordered this before, so you guys are coming with me as I unbox this box, and we'll get right into what this box is about. If you are new to my channel, I do different beauty subscription and lifestyle unboxings on this channel weekly. Please feel free to like and subscribe. Check your girl out. I do post every week, and it will be something for you. Or if you like to peruse some of my other videos, please feel free. There's a little something for everyone. But if you love subscription boxes like I do, and you're nosy and you want to see what other people got in their box, then watch this channel. So let's get started. So when I open a box, it's packaged with the paper here, and when I unopen it, this is the first thing I see. And it has in here, your Beem box has arrived, and it looks like we do have a card in here that details what is inside of my box in terms of the products, and lets you know the value of them as well. So let's get started with the first thing I'm going to pull out here. I have Tokyo Metropolis 14 color eyeshadow palette. Right out the gate, we pulling out the eyeshadow. That's awesome. These look to be like some very nice colors on the back here, guys. I hope you can see well with the lighting what's on the back of the packaging. But it's 14 color eyeshadows, and it looks, is the company name Rude who makes this? Yeah, Rude Cosmetics makes this eyeshadow palette, and it is $11 is the value of it. Create unique and colorful looks with this stunning palette. 7 mattes and 7 shimmer shades that are easy to blend so you can slay your everyday look. So let's take it out and see what we got here. Wow. And it does have a nice little mirror in here, guys, and the plastic, I'm gonna fold it down so I can really show you guys the colors on here. They're very pretty. I'm not sure how they blend, but what the heck, I got some fingers, got a little time. Let's grab a few here. I'm going to take 4 of these, and we'll see how they look. This is how they turned out on my fingers, so I went with these 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. And I think I'm gonna do a little bit because that one's a little light, to make sure I'm picking up enough color. I don't see any fallout, which is always a good thing as I'm doing this. And let's just come right here, and this is what I did, and I think the colors seem to be very easy to work with. I like the fact that there is no fallout. They seem to be very rich. I know this other one here is a lighter brown. It doesn't show up that well on me because I'm a little bit darker, but that's okay. That is a color you can use for your base too. I do love purple, so you know I had to reach for that purple with the eyeshadow. But I'm really excited to try this palette. I mean, I think the colors came out really nice on my hand here. There's no fallout. As you can see when you look at my palette, there's no fallout at all. So they seem pretty firm. I'm not sure how they're going to be working with the brush, but they look very pretty from just doing a quick swatch with my hand. So that'll be awesome to try out. I like getting eyeshadow palettes, so that's pretty dope. And again, this company is called Rude Cosmetics is the brand, and the palette is valued at $11, which is very reasonable for anyone to purchase if you're very happy with that. So let's go to the next item that I see here. I have another Rude product. So I have a Sculpting Concealer, and this is also made by Rude Cosmetics. And it says makeup with an attitude. So I already like that. Let's take this out so you guys can see. They sent me deep, which is the right color for me. Let's see how this comes out. And they have it sealed up very nice, which makes me not tempted to open it. But it's just a concealer. Sculpting Concealer, Conceal, Contour, and Highlight. And correct. So it's the color deep. I'm not going to bother to open it because I already have enough stuff open. So we'll just keep the shelf life of it. But so far we have eyeshadow and we have a concealer, both by Rude Cosmetics, which is great. This concealer, guys, is valued at $6.50. Very reasonable. And you're able to contour, conceal, and brighten with this Sculpting Concealer. The light and buildable long-lasting concealer can be used for under eye circles, to lightly spot conceal, or even to sculpt your face. So I think, hey, $6.50, very reasonable to try out. So the next product we're going to pull out of this box is Diversion Lip Finisher and the Luminous, the Art of Beauty. So I'm assuming which one of these. Okay, Luminous is the brand. So Diversion Lip Finisher is $20 is the value of this product. And this is to add some versatility to your lipstick game. We have a liquid, the color is Liquid Crystal that they sent me. Let me open this up so I can show you guys. I gotta have everything in here sealed very nicely. Oh, look at this. Wasn't expecting that. Wow. So it says add some versatility to your lipstick game with this lip finisher. It transforms any lipstick into a high shine gloss, or you could just use it alone. Oh, so that's pretty neat. So it's just basically like a lip gloss. This does have a value of $20, guys. They said this is a long-lasting gloss that is without stickiness. And it says after exfoliating your lips, apply a little of your favorite lipstick, or you can wear this over bare lips, is however you choose to wear. But I've never seen this before or heard of this brand. So $20 is basically a lip gloss. So not bad. What is the size? It is 0.13 ounces, and again, it's called Liquid Crystal is the color, which literally is clear. So that's neat. How you open this thing? Oh, it's regular. You just open it normal. Okay. All right, that's nice. Let's see if it works on this lipstick. Hold on. You guys tell me what you think. Hold on, we're gonna try it. Not bad. It doesn't feel sticky at all. It doesn't feel sticky. It almost reminds me of like a lip oil. So not bad. I'm already using it, so I seem pretty happy. The next product that I have, guys, is Girl-a-Tick. Okay. Yeah, Girl-a-Tick. That's what it says. This is a Cheeky Tint and Glow Duo. It's valued at $24. So let's see what it looks like. Cheeky glowy cheeks have just gotten easier. So this is how it comes in its packaging, guys, and this is what the back of it looks like. Very pretty packaging. So it says this duo is perfectly paired with a natural flush cheek tint and a gorgeous glow. You can apply it to the apple of your cheeks or blend it with your fingers or a brush. and then apply it to your upper cheekbones. The perfect complexion enhancing blush and glow duo. So let's take a peek at what it looks like on the inside. They do give you a mirror. I'm just covering that up for purposes, but this is like a creamy kind of base. Let me swatch these two and I'll put it on the other side so you guys can kind of see. So that's how it comes off on my fingers for this. And let's put it over here. Do it a little bit darker. Oh, so it doesn't even come off that heavy. So if you're wondering if it's going to be like too dark, I don't think so. This is how it is showing up on me. And I say that's not too bad. What do you guys think? Not too bad. You can wear this on your cheeks and stuff. I think that would look really nice on me. But it is like more like a creamy base product. So not bad. Not bad at all. And let's go with our last thing here. So they sent us, I'm going to say Beem. I'm gonna go with Beem Cosmetics. This is a day moisturizer, guys, and this is 3.5 fluid ounces. It's a luxurious moisturizer that hydrates without clogging pores, quiets inflammation, brightens the appearance of uneven skin tones, and provides a super hydration. This is a light cream that will leave your skin glowing, supple, and fresh all day. Not bad. Let's get it out of its packaging. So guys, I did pop the seal off. This is what it looks like, and it's just a regular moisturizer. You know, regular moisturizer. And look, this is so neat. They even put a little gold spoon in here for you to get your product with. Isn't that so cute? That is nice. So we have everything out of this box. So guys, in review, let's review this and wrap this up for you guys. So I have this I have this day moisturizing cream, which is valued, this is valued at $64 by Beem Cosmetics. We have the Cheeky Tint and Glow Duo, which is valued at $24 by Girlatic. And we have the Luminous Art of Beauty brand here, lip finisher, valued at $20. And we have the Sculpting Concealer, valued at $6.50. And we have our eyeshadow palette, which is valued at $11. Overall, I say not bad. So this box is definitely heavy on the cosmetics. The only skincare product we received was the moisturizer. So if you're looking for a new box to try, a little bit more makeup heavy, and you are a woman of color, and you're looking for something that has tones that kind of fit your complexion, this may be the box for you. So check them out. And again, the name of the box is called Beem Box, BEEM box.com is where you can go and check them out. This is my paid for box, so this is my first time unboxing this box. So I haven't had any prior experience with the products. I can't wait to use them. I do believe this Girlatic product was in one of the Ipsy or the BoxyCharm boxes before. I don't remember what I got though, but I remember seeing this name. But guys, let me know what you thought of my box with the Beem box. Was there anything you wanted me to demonstrate how to use, or you would like to see me use one of the palettes or something? Just let me know in the comments. Was there something that you weren't too happy about in this box, or what did you think of the palette colors? If you have purchased this box before, I would love to hear what you think about the box. Hit me up in the comments, and guys, I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all my videos, but I'll see you guys next time.